Hey everybody, this is Mr. Hill here. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial about how to do a Zoom meeting if you are interested in joining us this afternoon. So you're going to go ahead and open up a new tab. You're going to go to zoom.us or zoom.com will work too. And you're going to go to join a meeting right here. Now it's going to ask you for a meeting ID. So this is where you're going to go back to your Google Classroom. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to open up my Google Classroom. Pardon all the tabs that are open. And in my Google Classroom, we're getting ready to post this for you guys right here. There's this ID that you see right here, 175-934-662. You're going to put that into Zoom to join the meeting here at 1 o'clock. Now, you could also just click the link that I'm putting here too, and that should take you straight to it as well. So it should be really easy to get to. 1 p.m. today, Mrs. Fisher and Mrs. White will be on there. I might be on there for a little bit too if I can get the kids to nap at the right time. And then Mr. Forsythe and I will be on Thursday. And we're here just to kind of check in, talk with you guys, but also so you guys can ask some questions about the assignments that we're posting and kind of talk to you guys a little bit about class. So we are expecting everyone who can to please try to join us and be a part of that meeting. If you got any questions, email us. Post a comment on here or let us know. Maybe smoke signals, I don't know, send a carrier pigeon. That would work as well. All right, thank you guys very much. And I'm going to end this meeting now, or end this, where is it?